In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the zoom option in Google Chrome. This simple yet incredibly useful feature allows you to adjust the screen size of the web pages you're viewing, making them more readable and easier to navigate. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can start using this feature right away. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. To do this, find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click it to launch. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top. Next, direct your attention to the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. This is often referred to as the More menu. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with a range of options. From here, look for the Settings option within the list and click on it. This will take you to a new tab dedicated to all the customizations and configurations available in Chrome. Now that you're in the Settings tab, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. The Appearance section is typically located near the top, but if you don't see it right away, continue scrolling until you do. Under the Appearance section, you'll notice an option for Page Zoom. You might see a percentage here, such as 100%, which indicates the current default zoom level. To change the default zoom level, click on the drop-down arrow beside the percentage. This will reveal a list of various zoom percentages you can choose from, ranging from 25% to 500%. Select the zoom level that you find most comfortable for your viewing. If you're unsure, you can always start with a modest increase, like 110%, and see how that impacts your viewing experience. Once you've made your selection, Chrome will automatically adjust the zoom level for all web pages you visit. Keep in mind that you can always return to this section to modify the zoom level at any time, depending on your needs. As an additional tip, you can also adjust the zoom level temporarily for individual pages. Simply press Ctrl and the plus or minus key on your keyboard to zoom in or out. This quick shortcut can be very handy if you only need to adjust the zoom on a specific page or want to revert back to the default setting quickly. And there you have it. You now know how to enable and adjust the zoom option in Google Chrome to make your browsing experience more comfortable and accessible. Feel free to experiment with different zoom levels until you find the one that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!